Hi. Are you waving? Hi. Hi, Happy. Hi, Happy. Hi. Hi. How was your day? It was good? Yeah? Did you go to school today? No. Did you go to the library today? You did? Did you go to Unicorn Palace today? Yeah, you did. You rode the unicorn. You did. Oh, right up to the castle. Right up to the castle. Mama's being so silly. Mama's being so silly. Where's that other little hand? Where's that other hand? You want to show off what you can do with your passy? Can you put your passy in your mouth? Can you get it in there? I bet you can. Yeah, get the good part in there. Get the good part in there. Get the good part in there, Nugget. Get the fun part in there. You can do it. Oh, yeah. Oh, uh-oh. Almost. You almost had it. You did. You did. Show us that gummy smile. Yeah. Hi, Happy. Hi, Happy baby. Was that Mama's phone? Did you hear Mama's phone beeping? Oh, you did. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Love you, baby girl.